Got one on. Whoa, there he goes. There we go. Whoa. Well, hit the boat. Man, he's awake now. First cast in there.
Yeah, that's a keeper.
I think that's the keeper if we hit it.
No fin.
Okay. If we can slide him over there. Not that time. Whoa! I think I had my hand in the way of that shot. Oh, I'm pulling my guts off. Huh? What, did he get hung up over there? Oh, in the anchor? Yeah, I see him jumping. Come out now. Okay. Oof. Oops. There we go. What is it, a keeper?
Yep.
Holy mackerel. Nice one. Thank you.